my name is Haribo27, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make this automatic storage system all on your own. Now this works for both Bedrock and Java, so it doesn't matter what version you're playing on. Let's get into it. So to first give you a demonstration, I'm going to pretend I've got a mob farm and I want to automatically sort all the drops. So I've got some sample drops and I'm just going to put them in this chest here. This represents the input, so where all the items would flow in if you had some form of item collector. And you can see all the bones that have been sorted so far, when they come through, will come into this chest. All of the gunpowder that's currently being sorted will come into this chest. And let's just move this gunpowder to the back, so that we can get some other items in. So you can see now it's started doing the bones. The bones are all ending up in this chest, and then all the rotten flesh will end up in this chest. And then the items that can't be sorted, for example bows, which you'll probably get a lot of, will end up in this chest, and it all stays nice and organised and sorted. So this is all broken down. There are three main parts. There's the storage, there's the circuit, and there's the delivery. So delivery is probably the simplest. It's just you need some form of item stream coming through a hopper. Oh, didn't mean to destroy that. Into a dropper, which shoots into here. And what you'll need here, there we go, all fixed. Dropper faces into the chute, which drops down into the water stream. So you're going to need a hopper, a dropper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of redstone, 2 repeaters, and 1 comparator. So the comparator needs to face out of the dropper. Then it needs to go into a repeater. You need 2 bits of redstone, a repeater going the other way, and then you'll need a piece of redstone going in here. Now this comparator, very crucially, needs to be on subtract mode. So this little redstone torch here needs to be lit up. But then you'll want another one coming out of the corner here, going on top of the dropper to power it. And what this circuit does is whenever there's an item in there, it will fire the circuit and does that, and it works for stacks of items as well. So if I got multiple logs and put them in here, if there were multiple items in it, it would just keep running until there are no more items left. So then it runs onto this water stream, which has some ice on all the spots that aren't hoppers, and then it goes into the hopper. Now this hopper needs to be facing this way. The best way to do this is to place a temporary block, place the hopper going into it, and then destroying this temporary block. And then out of this hopper needs to be a comparator with 2 redstone dust, then a redstone dust layer down, and then going back the other way. This all needs to be made out of solid blocks, and not a block like glass or sea lanterns. And it needs to go into this repeater, which can be on any delay you want, but 1's normally the quickest, into this redstone torch, which will be powering this block, powering the hopper, not letting any items through. Now in this hopper, you will want 44 placeholder items, which won't make its way into the storage system. If any blocks named this make its way into the storage system, it will break. So once you finish building your storage system, any renamed items you have, turn them back. So rename these to cobblestone slabs. So you can see we've got an oak log filter here, and you can see those oak logs I put in earlier have made their way into the storage system, and these chests will fill up from the bottom. Now any item, this is what, so you can either have it like this. So at the end there is a row of hoppers which doesn't have any of this circuitry behind it, which will catch any items that do not have their own chest. Or if they're mostly junk items, you can have a sign followed by some lava underneath, which will burn any items not in the storage system. So as an example, if I were to put in a dropper, since it's not looking for droppers, it would go and then it would be burnt in the lava. But that's how to make it. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want more. Anyway, my name is Haribo27, and goodbye.